Welcome to our channel. If you need to report a lost driver license to the DMV quickly, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit your state's DMV website using a web browser to find information specific to your location. Step 2. Look for a section labeled Report Lost or Stolen License or License Replacement on the homepage. Step 3. Fill out the online form if available, providing details such as your full name, license number, and date of birth. Step 4. If online reporting is not available, call your local DMV office using the phone number listed on the website. Step 5. Inform the DMV representative that your license has been lost and provide the required personal information for verification. Step 6. Follow their instructions to apply for a replacement license, which may require visiting a DMV office in person. Step 7. Bring identification documents such as a passport, birth certificate, or social security card to verify your identity at the DMV. Step 8. Pay the replacement fee, which varies by state but typically ranges from $10 to $30, and receive a temporary license while waiting for your new one to arrive by mail. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.